Before you begin, remove the top cover, display panel assembly, display bezel, and display panel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the webcam cable for later replacement. Carefully peel back the metallic tape that secures the right wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Remove the webcam cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board and remove. Replacement. Connect the webcam cable into its connector on the webcam board. Route the webcam cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure. Carefully adhere the metallic tape that secures the right wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure.